Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove bank accounts from PrizePicks. First, you have to log into your PrizePicks account. And most important things to remember is you can remove a payment method after 60 days have passed since your first deposit using the payment method. That's mean if you have your payment method doesn't past 60 days yet, then you can't remove your payment method. That's mean if you use your bank account 60 days earlier in PrizePicks and deposit amount in PrizePicks, then you can remove your bank account. So make sure that you have deposited amount with your bank account minimum 60 days ago. Then you just need to log into your account and tap the deposit button at the top right corner, the plus icon. Then once you are on the deposit page, you should see a trash can icon. Click the trash can to remove a payment method. That's mean you just need to click on the trash can icon to remove your bank account. If the trash can icon isn't there, that means you still need to wait for 60 days waiting period to end. That means if you found the trash can beside your bank account payment method, then you can simply click on this trash icon and simply confirm that you are deleting the payment method from your PrizePicks account. Then if you couldn't find that icon, that's mean your bank account is in a waiting period of 60 days, so you have to wait for it. Then here is some information that you need to note, that you may only request to remove a payment method once in any calendar month and no more than 5 times across any 12-month span. For security reasons, PayPal doesn't permit you to remove your account. That's mean you can remove your bank account, but you can't remove your PayPal account from PrizePicks account, and you can only request for the removal 5 times in a year. That's how you can remove your bank account from your PrizePicks account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video.